Now you need to run the Moteworks package, which is placed here. I have the 3.4 version. Run it as admin. Click next. As I have already installed this package, you need to install it through, and after installing, the following programs will be listed on your desktop. For programming the modes, open the mode config. Now after we have opened the mode config, you need to get the gateway, that is MIB520CB, connect it to the USB and put the mode you wish to use as the base station upon it. After doing this, connect the USB to PC. Now open the device manager. You can see two COM ports are assigned to the mode, COM4 and COM5. Go to mode config, settings, interface board. Assign the lower COM port here and click apply. Navigate to the file at this location. Now we need to configure the mode as base station, hence we choose the XMesh base and select the HP file. The file is loaded. Now click program. Also set the node ID 0. When you see the message upload successful, it means the mode has been configured as base correctly. Now remove the mode from gateway. Remember, this has been configured as base station. Choose another mode which you want to configure as a sensor. We can see that the board used here is MTS420. Hence, we will use that information later on. Attach the mode in same fashion. Now place the sensor modes at different locations from which you want to get the data. Like I have placed one here, and one in this dark area. After successfully configuring the modes, remove them from gateway and attach the sensor board to each one of them. And turn it on via this small switch. Meanwhile, attach the mode configured as base station to the gateway. And plug it via USB to the PC. We can also see that the LED is blinking, which means the sensor mode is working. Now open the mode view software. Click on this icon which says connect to WSN. Click on gateway. Choose the correct model number of the gateway we are using. Here it is MIB520. Assign the higher COM port of the motes and choose the correct sensor board. Here it is MTS 420. Click on done. Now we can see that node ID 10 and 12 have turned green. It means they are active right now. We can see the data that we are acquiring through these modes here, which includes humidity, temperature, pressure, light intensity, acceleration in X and Y directions. Also the GPS data can be grabbed, but that requires a separate antenna to be used. We can give some commands like change the refresh rate of data to 0.1 second, which means the data acquired will be faster. We can also plot charts, display the health of nodes, which can be monitored based on different parameters like health of the packets, forwarded, dropped, battery, power sum, quality of transmission, quality of reception, RSSI index, etc. Histogram can be plotted for different parameters like acceleration, light intensity. Same can be done for the scatter plot. Also the topology of the modes can be monitored through this graphic. We can see here that the acceleration is different for the different modes. When I move the mode in different directions, you can see that the mode 10 has a varying acceleration. Also same goes for mode 12. We can choose different parameters such as light intensity. You can see that the mode 12 is placed in a darker region than the mode 10. So this is how we configure the modes to display their respective data on the mode view software, which can monitor the modes remotely and create an accurate simulation of the remote environment on your PC.